Hey guys, what's up? It's David here from CLE Fan 7 Autos with a quick LCS or local card shop recap for Monday, July 15th, 2013. So didn't pick up any cards at the card shop, but I was getting myself ready for next weekend for when the Quad Cities River Bandits, affiliate of the Houston Astros, when they come and play the Captains. So I'm really pumped for that. Can't wait to get hopefully Carlos Correa and Mark Appel. And as you can see, that's who these two baseballs are for. So, yeah, this one will be for Carlos Correa right here. And then this one will be for Mark Appel. By the way, I have no clue what all these scribbles are on the top, but whatever. So, really happy, really looking forward to getting these signed. And then, next thing, I'll have to pick up my camera to show you, but as you can see, right up here, I got 3 new cases from baseballs. So now my set's like kind of even out, like 2 rows on each side. So what I'm gonna ask you guys is, what do you guys think I should do? Obviously I'm gonna have Correa go right here, and then like he'll be like right above Francisco Lindor. You guys never see that ball in the regular video because of my Indians mini helmet, but so yeah, that's there. Obviously I'm gonna have Correa go there because I want him to like be above Lindor. I think personally, I think they're the top 2 shortstop prospects because Bogart's almost in the majors. I think Lindor's better than Bogarts, but I think Bogarts is better than Correa. So, yeah, I mean, I don't even know if Javier Baez, if you can even put him in that conversation, but he's very good too. I'm not taking anything away from you, but you Cubs fans. But so, anyways, yeah, Correa's gonna go here. Appel's gonna go right there, and then right here. That's gonna be somebody. Well, no, not necessarily. That's either it's gonna be a kind of a competition here. I'll let you guys decide. Either Jose Barrios, Lance McCullers Jr., or Adam Brett Walker. Who do you think I should put in my set? So yeah, let me know on that. Should be really exciting next couple of next 7-8 days for me. Cedar Rapids comes here this Wednesday through Friday, but I already explained that to you in my other video today. But so yeah, let me know either Barrios, Walker, or Lance McCullers. I mean, to me, if I had to choose, it'd be either McCullers or Walker. Whoever, comment down below, tell me who you want, who you'd rather see, and then whoever has the most votes, I guess you can say, that's who I'll put in my set. So yeah, guys, that's about it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.